screen.
Heli over top of us.
On me, on me, on me.
Wait, what?
Heli on me.
I just shot his back rotor out. He's down, Zerks, he's down. He's down, buddy. Help me.
I'm coming.
Wait, look, Ghost was killed by OTF.
Score beams, yeah. Maybe they're not in the group anymore? I don't know.
Something suspect's going on.
He's invisible, bro. He's dead now. It's Stepsis. They're all, it's OTF. Another one's dead. I need your help, Zerks. I got two dead. Thing 1 and Stepsis are dead. I need your help. I got one more on me.
Munnel, you think we should try to move over to OTF's actual base and go raid them?
I don't know.
If they're all out?
Help me.
I see him, dude.
I'm down to try. Just fuck that fucking cross.
Well, yeah, but
I got
it's if we get
multiple
them
on
all out. But I'm gonna need a ton of bandages, though. Probably.
Dead.
Jesus Christ, they're wiping them.
Huh?
They're wiping them, man.
Dead.
They're wiping
Another one dead.
Wipe. Let's go 5 of them.
You think it's true?
See what he says. See if he says.
Bro, what the fuck?
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Hit the other one! I just hit the other one! Dude!
Cheating! Admins! Done for!